This is part of what this industry is all about. It is about building relationships, fostering new potential opportunities, and that's one of the things that WCA does absolutely best.
Go Carwash just celebrated its 4th anniversary last week. We are based out of Denver, Colorado. So the car wash that we're at today is a 150-foot tunnel on Tropicana in Las Vegas. Sure, we have a lot of team members that are in the WCA, the Western Car Wash Association, and it's really just a great opportunity to be able to network and share ideas. We're letting our members actually go through the tunnels in our roadshow tours. It's an example of the innovation that we're always doing to make sure our events are new and exciting.
WCA member, I can really enjoy to participate in education section within the organization. So you know who they are, good people. You can do business with them.
I think they really stepped it up today. It was got a breakfast burrito and a cold beer at the end. I mean, what else could you ask for?
I can tell you that from my experience in coming to car wash conventions for 25 plus years, this event, bar none, is the best and the most exciting event that the WCA has ever put on, above and beyond what others across the country have to offer. It's well worth being a part of this organization.